Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be speaking about static testing techniques done by me, Ibrahim Mohamed Abdullahi. Okay, these are the table of content. This is what I'm going to be speaking about today. Static testing, informal reviews, four types of software reviews, formal formal reviews, and static testing tools. Okay, so what is static testing? Static testing is a software testing technique that involves examining the software product without executing the code. It focuses on identifying defects early in the development process by reviewing work products such as requirements documents, design specifications, and source code. Static testing includes both manual methods like walkthroughs, inspections, and peer reviews, as well as automated techniques such as static code analysis using specialized tools. Since it is performed early, static testing helps reduce development costs, improve software quality, and minimize the time spent on dynamic testing. By detecting issues in logic, documentation, or code structure before execution, static testing plays a critical role in ensuring a reliable and maintainable software product. Now, these are some benefits of static testing. Static testing offers several important benefits in the software development. Life cycle. One of the primary advantages is the early detection of defects in requirements, design, or source code before the software is executed. This allows teams to correct errors at a stage when they are less costly and easier to fix. Static testing also helps improve the overall quality of the software by ensuring that coding standards, documentation, and design principles are followed consistently. It reduces consistently. It reduces the risk of defect propagation into later development phases, which in turn decreases the time and effort required for dynamic testing. Additionally, static testing can enhance team collaboration through reviews and improve understanding of the system by involving multiple stakeholders in the inspection of artifacts. Since it does not require executable code, static testing can begin early in the development process, supporting a more efficient and proactive approach quality assurance. Okay, so what is informal reviews? Informal reviews are the most basic form of static testing. They involve the casual examination of software artifacts such as code, design documents, or requirements, usually conducted by peers or teammates. There is no formal process, defined roles, or structured documentation involved. These reviews often occur spontaneously or for example, when a developer asks a colleague to quickly check a piece of code or a section of a document for errors or improvements. Informal reviews are typically used to identify obvious mistakes, improve readability, ensure consistency, and encourage knowledge sharing within the team. While they are quick and cost effective, the results may vary depending on the reviewer's experience and attention to detail. Despite their simplicity, informal reviews are valuable for catching early issues and fostering collaborative development practices. Okay, here are some examples of informal reviews. Number one, we have peer code check at a desk. A developer finishes a function and asks a team to quickly look over the code for logic errors or formatting before committing it. This review is verbal and unrecorded. Number two, we have Slack or chat feedback on design. A designer shares a wireframe or architecture diagram in the team chat. Team members give quick suggestions or spot inconsistencies. There is no formal meeting or documentation. Number three, we have quick review before team meeting. Before presenting a requirement document in a sprint planning session, a product owner asks another team member to briefly review it for clarity or missing details. Whiteboard. Okay, now we have number four. Whiteboard brainstorming session. During a brainstorming session, a developer sketches out a class design on a whiteboard and the team discusses potential flaws or improvements informally. Number 5. Pre-commit review in version control. Before pushing code to the repository, a developer may request a quick look via a pull request, not a formal review, just to check for typos, logic mistakes, or incomplete comments. Okay, so 4 types of formal reviews. We were just on informal reviews, now we're moving on to formal reviews. Number 1, we have walkthrough. Definition: a step-by-step presentation of a document or code by its author to gather feedback and ensure shared understandings. Participants: author, peers, possibly stakeholders. Okay, number 2, technical review. Definition: a review conducted by a team of technically qualified personnel to assess the suitability and correctness of software artifacts. Participants: developers, architects, and testers. An audit. An audit is a formal review conducted by internal or external auditors to ensure compliance with standards, processes, or regulations. Participants are auditors, project leads, quality assurance staff. I don't know why it's 4. I think I typed wrong, but it's supposed to be 3 types. I don't know why it says here no 4. My bad. Okay, formal reviews. Formal reviews are a structured and systematic approach to evaluating software work products such as requirements, design documents, source code, and test plans. Unlike informal reviews, formal reviews follow a defined process that includes specific roles such as author, moderator, reviewer, and recorder. These reviews are planned in advance, use checklists or guidelines, and result in documented findings and action items. The purpose of formal reviews is to detect defects early, ensure compliance with standards, improve product quality, and facilitate communication among team members. Common types of formal reviews include walkthroughs, technical reviews, inspection, audits, and management reviews. By incorporating formal reviews into the development process, organizations can reduce rework, enhance team collaboration, and maintain a consistent level of quality throughout the software lifecycle. These now are the 6 phases of formal reviews. First, we have the planning, then the kickoff, then the preparation, then the review meeting, the rework, and then the follow-up to finish it all. Okay, now let's move on to static testing tools. Static testing tools are software applications used to analyze source code, design documents, or software artifacts without executing the program. These tools help identify errors such as syntax violations, code smell, security vulnerabilities, and non-compliance with coding standards. By automating the review process, static testing tools increase efficiency, reduce human error, and support early detection of defects. Common categories include code analysis tools, security analyzers, style checkers, and model checkers. Popular static testing tools include SonarQube, Pylint, Slint, Checkstyles, Coverity, and Fortify. These tools are essential for maintaining code quality, improving maintainability, and ensuring software reliability before the testing phase begins. Values. Now these are the values of static analysis. Static analysis provides significant value in software development by enabling early detection of defects without executing the code. It helps developers identify common coding errors, security vulnerabilities, and violations of coding standards during the development phase. This early feedback allows teams to correct issues before they become costly problems in later stages of testing or production. Static analysis also improves code quality, enhances maintainability, and supports consistent coding practices across teams. By automating the review process, it reduces manual effort, speeds up development, and increases the overall productivity. Furthermore, static analysis contributes to building secure, reliable, and high-performance software by catching hard-to-detect issues such as buffer overflows, memory leaks, and logic errors at the code level. Yes, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you guys for listening to my presentation. These are some references I got from Google. Yes, thank you very much.